Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to disable spell check and grammar check in Google Docs. Start by opening any document in Google Docs. You can use an existing document from your drive or create a new one. Now click on Tools in the top menu bar, located between Insert and Extensions. A drop-down menu appears with various options. Look for Spelling and Grammar in that drop-down. When you hover over or click on it, a submenu opens to the right, showing 3 options with check marks. You'll see Show Spelling Suggestions at the top. Click on it to uncheck the box. The checkmark disappears. Right below that is Show Grammar Suggestions. Click on it to uncheck that option as well. The checkmark disappears, and both spell check and grammar check are now disabled. To test that it worked, type a few intentional misspellings into your document. You should notice that the red squiggly lines that normally appear under spelling mistakes are gone. Grammar errors won't show blue underlines either. Here are a few things to keep in mind. The settings you just changed apply across all your documents in Google Docs, not just the one you have open right now. If you open another document later, spell check and grammar check will still be disabled there too. To turn these features back on, just follow the same path, Tools, then Spelling and Grammar, and click the 2 options again to recheck them. The check marks will reappear, and suggestions will start working again. Thanks for watching.